Let's get started.
Today's hair is going to be from Princess Hair Plug, who is run by the famous YouTuber Time the Infamous. If you don't know who Time the Infamous is, then you haven't been on YouTube long enough. So she decided to start her own hair company. On her website, she said that if I'm using 18 inches, then I will only need 2 bundles if I'm using a frontal. And I believe if you're using a closure, you'll need 2.5 bundles. So I got a frontal that's in 16 inches, and of course the bundles are in 18 inches. I ordered this hair on the 9th. This hair took so fucking long to come to my house. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, the shipping time, usually if I was to order from an AliExpress company, I would get it within like 2 or 3 days, and I'm saying that they shipped it. On her website, she said that I only need 2 bundles. So if you put this on your website, honey, I better slay with 2 bundles and a frontal. This is the frontal right here. It came pre-plucked, as you can see right here. I don't think I need to do much customizing with that. I do have to bleach the knots because, honey, look at this. No, we do not want to, nope, no black dots. I'm going to show you guys how to bleach your frontal in just a minute so it can look like your scalp, and so you can slay all day. Now on to the bleaching. So what you're going to need is some bleach, of course. I'm using a Clairol Professional and some developer. I'm using a 30 developer. Need a mixing bowl. And no, we're not going to mix with a brush. We're not going to mix with a brush. I bought these little mixers off Amazon. Put those in the link below. And yes, you're going to need a butter knife. Preferably a plastic one, but this is the only one that I had. I hope if my roommate sees this video, she doesn't kill me. I got you, girl. I got you. So we gonna guesstimate. I'm sorry, but in my household, I don't know why my mom had like mixing cups, like measuring cups, but she never used them like at all. Like, she just used them if she had like a bucket like this. She had to get some like pancake powder out. She put it in there instead of putting a whole freaking styrofoam cup in there. But yeah, we're gonna guesstimate today. I'm just saying. So you want the consistency to be a thick consistency, so it doesn't, the bleach doesn't seep through the lace onto the hair and bleaching your hair. You don't want to walk around with blonde roots and black hair. But if you want to do that, girl, go ahead. So right now I'm about to pour this developer in. Like I said, I'm just guesstimating, and you want a pretty thick mixture. You see, you see how hard it's for, you see how hard it is for me to get the mixture out of the whisk? That's how like thick that you want it to be. You see how it's like, it's taking time? That's how thick you want your mixture to be. Right now, I'm just telling y'all how strong this shit is. Make sure you're in a very ventilated area. You don't want to be like me. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your mixture, your bleach and developer, and you're going to spread it across your frontal. But do so very lightly. Very lightly. Like I said, we don't want blonde roots. But if that floats your boat, then go right ahead, girl. Now I'm just washing it off. Washing it off. And then you're going to take any shampoo. I use the neutralizer shampoo because that's the first one that came to mind. I mean, not the first one that came to mind, but that was the first one that I've seen. I didn't feel like searching for one, so I used that. My frontal still came out pretty fine. I know some people use the purple shampoo. I do have purple shampoo, but I think I ran out of it. It's like by Shimmer Lights or whatever. So I'm just going to do that here. What the frontal looks like now compared to how it was before we did the bleaching, y'all. So as you can see, I'm putting it on my hair right now, so you can see that it resembles my skin tone. It looks like a scalp, and we ain't got no more black dots, girl. So yeah, I'm trying to help y'all. I'm trying to help y'all. So by this title, you already know what bundles I have in my hair. If you do not know, it is by Princess Hair Plug. Princess Hair Plug is run by the famous YouTuber Time the Infamous. She said that she's been working on this hair for like 2 years now. I have 2 bundles and 1 16-inch frontal. Let me tell you all about this frontal. I feel as though this frontal, even though it came pre-plucked, they plucked it entirely too much for my liking. Like, I'm going to insert a clip of where I actually show you guys exactly what I mean. But far as the hair, this is good quality hair. It didn't have a smell. I washed it with my OGX Argan oil and of Morocco, the extra strength shampoo, and I also used the conditioner. I washed it and conditioned it. I used the BioSilk. I'll insert all the products that I use in the description bar below, so make sure you guys check that out. I ordered this hair February the 9th, and I didn't get a, hey, we shipped your order until the 20th. The 20th. Yes, the 20th. Shipping was that, so if you use the order after today, then I think you should be fine. But I have no complaints with the actual, so I got the Pro bundles. I guess the Pro bundles, they seem pretty good to me. They're 7-8 grade hair. It's really soft from running my fingers through it. I have no tangles at all. None whatsoever. So the next time I will order from her again. The next time I'm going to try the LUXE bundles, and then I can really exactly like tell you guys what's the difference. She only has 2 colors on her website, which is blonde and natural black, unless you order her Pro bundle princess hair box or something like that. You get like 3 or 4 bundles of 613, and you get a 613 frontal, and she includes like the hair colors is like purple, blue, and pink, I believe. But it doesn't come already dyed. You have to dye it yourself, but she provides all the colors and everything that you need for that. And on her website, she said that if you get 18 inches, you only need 1.5 bundles if you buy a frontal, and she was not lying. I have a little bit of hair left over, maybe about like this much from each bundle, so I could have put that in there somewhere, but I just did not. So right now I have no complaints about this hair. Time the Infamous, you will continue to get my coins, honey. So yes, you know, I'm here for it. If you purchased her bundles already, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what you waiting on? I got plenty more videos in the new year. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
Black girl magic, y'all can't stand it, y'all can't ban